boys, for the next hour or so, I'll be stuck on this city one public server, and the first 3 subscribers to come up to me and say they watch my videos, I'll be designing their car for free. Only catch is, I'll be disguised as a noob on a brand new account, and none of them will have any proof that I'm real or fake. But before we begin, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then subscribe. Like the video and comment shout out. Okay boys, we are in. I decided to park my bus right outside of sales so that every player that goes to sales drives right past us. And hopefully this YouTube design that I made grabs their attention. Because if it doesn't, then I might be cooked. Anyways, I stayed on this server for about 10 minutes. Many players were ignoring and driving right past me. Then a few moments later, this guy came up and started looking at my bus. Right when I thought he was about to say something, he disappeared just like your dad did when you were 6-7 months old. However, because my method wasn't working, I had to come up with a new one. So I joined a new server and asked everyone who's their favorite CPM YouTuber. Out of the 19 players that were on this server, only one player dared to answer my question. His name was Stepbro, and he said his favorite YouTubers are cplegends and me. I told him to come meet me at Donuts because I have a surprise for him. And in just a few seconds, bro was already there. He came driving a stock Toyota Yaris GR. At first, he thought I was going to gift him my YouTube bus, but bro literally had no idea what's coming for him. After I told him to sell me his car, he was a bit skeptical, but after chatting back and forth with him, Stepbro was finally convinced and sold me his Toyota Yaris for $1. I then told him to be online in 2 hours because by then I'll be done designing his car. I started off by upgrading his car specs, added a W16 engine, a triple turbo, and the other components. Since this is a rally car, I'm going to be making a racing livery. First, I removed the wide body kits and changed the color to black. Then added a diagonal orange vinyl, going from the bottom front wheel to the edge of the roof and rear window. Next, we're going to add 2 black triangles inside the orange vinyl right near the door handle, and a third one near the taillight facing downwards. Then we'll add a thin rectangular shaped vinyl, connecting the second and third triangles together. Now we're going to make an orange triangle facing downwards, using black triangles. I know that might have looked complicated a little bit, but trust me boys, it's not. Anyways, now we're going to add a diagonal orange halftone dot vinyl. And then inside the halftone dot vinyl, we'll add a black triangle. Now we're basically done with the design, and we're just doing the final touches. Then we'll copy everything we did on this side of the car to the other side of the car, using the copy feature. Alright boys, we've finally done designing the Yaris for Stepbro, and this is how it turned out. I am gonna say I did add a few more things to the car, like the EDC text on the sides, the Toyota logo, ski box, and I also added the wide body kits that he already had before. I cannot wait to see Stepbro's reaction. Now it's just 10 minutes left until the 2 hours I told him to be online.
Baba Booey.
Alright boys, here's a quick update about Stepbro. He's running pretty late. He was supposed to be here about 20 minutes ago, and hopefully he joins within the next few minutes. Okay boys, another update. Stepbro is nowhere to be seen. He was supposed to be here about an hour ago. It's now literally nighttime in the game, and I'm starting to think maybe he forgot about me. I wonder what he is doing. Right as I was about to leave, Stepbro came out of nowhere. He got very excited when he saw the car, and shortly after I sold it to him for $1, he said he'll tell his stepsister to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, boy.
To find the next subscriber whose car we're going to be designing, I decided to open YouTube and pick the latest comment on my channel, which was made by user X837Y21 about 38 minutes ago. So I opened a room and told him to join me. In just a couple of minutes, he came driving a Supra MK4 with a bad design. Luckily for him, I have 2 Paul Walker Supras with the exact same design. So I told him to wait a little while I log into one of my alt accounts that has a Supra using my other phone.
A few moments later.
After a couple of minutes, I finally joined, and I think he loved the car. I then sent him a trade offer, which he accepted in a heartbeat. If you guys want to see a tutorial of how I made this design, then you should watch this video. And by the way, if you've made it this far, make sure to comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
Now to find the last subscriber whose car we're going to be designing, I joined another public server and asked everyone who subscribed to the channel. And just one person replied to me once again, Valkyrie, who seems like a nice guy. He was using a black stance Toyota Altezza. And I think from that alone, we can all kind of tell what type of cars he likes. I'm guessing Nissan 180SX, Skyline, Subaru, etc. Anyways, me and Valkyrie came to an agreement that I'll buy his car for $10 million and I'll sell it back to him at the same price, because he thinks I'm a scammer. Since this is a JDM car, I've decided that we're just going to make a drifting livery. finally done with Valkyrie's car, and this is how it turned out. I ended up changing the black vinyls to a lighter shade of gray because I think it looks a lot better and makes the purple pop a little bit more. Fortunately for us, when I finished, Valkyrie was still online. So I joined him, and this was his reaction to the car. It's safe to say that he loved it. I sold the car to him for $10 million, as we'd agreed, and he was very happy. If you guys would like to see more videos like this where I design your cars, make sure to like the video. And if we get 1,000 likes, I'll definitely consider it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay sexy, boys. Peace.